OnePlus 9, top of the line smartphone with a sleek design and a premium feel. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews and tricks in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative content. Let's dive right in. Let's talk about the design and display. The OnePlus 9 showcases a sleek and modern design that's both elegant and ergonomic. The 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels delivers sharp visuals and vibrant colors, providing you an immersive viewing experience. Coming to the performance, equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset and up to 8GB or 12GB of RAM, the OnePlus 9 packs a serious punch in terms of performance. Enjoy lag-free multitasking, smooth gaming and seamless app navigation. This phone can handle it all. Let's talk about the camera prowess. The OnePlus 9 boasts a triple camera system designed in collaboration with the Hasselblad. The 48 megapixel primary sensor captures stunning details and vivid colors in every shot. The 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens expands your creative possibilities, capturing more of the scene in a single frame. Lastly, the 2 megapixel monochrome lens adds depth and enhances black and white photography. Next is the 5G connectivity and battery. Embrace the future of connectivity with 5G on the OnePlus 9. Enjoy lightning fast download speeds, low latency and seamless browsing experience. And to keep you powered throughout the day, the OnePlus 9 is equipped with a robust 4500 mAh battery ready to take on your daily adventures. Last but one, software and storage. Experience smooth and intuitive user interface with the Oxygen OS, OnePlus's signature software. The OnePlus 9 comes with either 128GB or 256GB of storage, providing ample space for all your apps, photos, videos and more. Finally, the additional features. The OnePlus 9 includes convenient features such as an under-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking. Face unlock is also available for an added layer of accessibility and security. Plus, the phone's stereo speakers deliver rich, immersive audio for your entertainment needs. That concludes our today's review of the OnePlus 9. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals.